Welcome to mechanical.com. In this video, we are going to create this 3D model using its drawing. So let's start our video. First of all, see its drawing. This is the drawing. This total length is 75 millimeter and the total height is 38 millimeter. Also, there is an empty slot. This length is 30 millimeter and the distance from this point to this point is 16 millimeter. And also, this height is 8 millimeter and this distance is 10 millimeter. And also, this height is 23 millimeter and the horizontal distance from this point to this point is 22 millimeter. And also, this line is 22 millimeter. Same, this distance is 10 millimeter from here to here, and from this point to this point, the distance is 15 millimeter. And the total distance is 45 millimeter from this point to this point. And from this point to this point, height is 20 millimeter. So these are the dimensions. And now let's start the tutorial. Go to Solidworks and open a new part file. Click OK. Change the unit system into GS system. Now select the right plane and sketch. Draw a horizontal center line, escape, and also a vertical center line, escape. Now choose shared line and draw lines like this. And now escape. Go to smart dimension. This length is 75 millimeter. This height is 8 millimeter. This length is 10 millimeter. And also this length is 22 millimeter. And same, this length is 22 millimeter. And the distance from this point to this point is 20 millimeter. From this line to the bottom line is 38 millimeter. And from this line to this line, the distance is 23 millimeter. So these are the dimensions. Look at the drawing. See, this is 23 millimeter and also this is 38 millimeter. And this is 20 millimeter. And these two are 22 millimeter and this length is 10 millimeter. See, so go to SolidWorks. All the dimensions are correct. So click OK. Go to Features, Extruded Wall Space. Now select here midplane and type 45 millimeter. Click OK. Zoom to fit. Now select this bottom face and sketch. Draw a center line. Now select here center rectangle. Go to smart dimension. This length is 30 millimeter and this height is 16 millimeter. Click OK. Go to Features, Extruded Cut. Select here Through All or select up to Next. See, this will cut up to this next surface. So click OK. See, now select this face and sketch. Draw a vertical center line. escape, go to center rectangle. Now, with the help of this center line, you can easily determine the midpoint of this whole body. So draw center rectangle from any point on this line and leave at this line. Left click, go to Smart Dimension. This is 15 millimeter and this height is 10 millimeter. Go to Features, Extruded Cut, select here up to next or through all. Click OK, left click, see. Now assign some material, go to Appearances and select here Metal, Aluminium and select here Brushed Aluminium Course. Now go to Edit Appearance and select any color you want. I am selecting this color and click OK. See, this is our final part. Control 7. I hope you liked the video. If you liked, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos.